I am here to help maintain social distancing for the raft company so we can all enjoy a float season.
And it's like night and day. There's people everywhere. First day there was nobody out. Now you got all these people, you got vendors. Oh, let's check out this stack of boats they got over here. They're going crazy. This is what they do. They take them off the river from over here and they haul them across the field and give them to these guys and put them on the trailer right here and pile them up. Take them back to Barber Park. What's up, my friend? Let's find out how many people they're putting on the bus. Yeah, it is a big change, isn't it?
Since the other day, yeah.
So how many people are fitting on each bus about?
20, and then sometimes we will have a couple or 2 or 3 that'll stand for us. So sometimes we get 23 on the bus.
23, 20?
More than that.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And is the back loading up, filling up with stuff, and then?
No, not too much.
No, everybody's hauling stuff in their arms, pretty much.
A few times we've had to use the back end, but not very often.
Okay. And you can't put your stuff on the seats. There's those boxes there. It's all carry it on, huh?
Uh-huh.
Well, and they're coming about every 20 minutes still?
Yeah, I don't think they're going that long.
Or every
15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes, yeah.
Oh, okay. So where are you from?
We're from SoCal, California. We are visiting her family.
You floated the river before?
Yes, we have.
How often?
Every summer.
Every summer. Nice.
Every summer is different. It's a whole different experience. The last time we came, I wiped out.
He didn't know whether to get his glasses or save his life because he can't see without
there was
us.
actually a point where I had to decide either do I grab my glasses because I saw them going down or go up for some air. Yeah.
No kidding.
Swim up, and then I just kept. What's his name?
Bear Grylls?
Bear Grylls, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I used to watch him a lot. And
Alright.
he said like swim towards the shore.
Right.
So I like swam and I got out.
Sweet, man.
Got out.
Well, I'm glad you're down here. I'm glad you guys are back and having fun, being safe. Rest in peace, rafts. Ones that didn't make it, if you get down here and your raft is flat or whatever you were riding in, just didn't make it. Here's a good spot to put it. Come up here and just toss it in this trailer. When it's busy, it gets like this. Man, they gotta stack them high. These guys have worked their butts off all day long. Thank you, Boise River Raft and Tube. You guys are awesome. If you enjoy these videos, and I really hope you do, I hope you share them with other people. I want to get the word out, and I want to be able to share this information with as many people as I can. It's really important to me, and I hope it becomes something that's really important to you too.